Hello, hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. KSET Physics 2014 questions ಇವು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 2014 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ 5 questions 4 to 5 questions ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. A rigid body moving freely in a space has dash degrees of freedom. Options are given below 3, 6, 9 and 4 ಅಂತಿದೆ. So degree of freedom is the minimum number of independent coordinates required to completely specify the position and orientation of a body. For a rigid body in 3-dimensional space, there are two types of motion. One is translational degree of freedom, and the body can move along 3 coordinate axes along x, y and z axis. So the translational degrees of freedom is 3, and rotational degrees of freedom, the body can rotate about the 3 coordinate axis, rotation about x axis, rotation about y axis, rotation about z axis. So rotation degree of freedom is also 3. Total degree of freedom 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So the right answer option B 6. Next question. Which of the following potential satisfies Laplace equation? So options are given below. So here Laplace equation is del square V is equal to dou square V by, so here writing this is the Laplace equation. Del square V equal to dou square V by dou x square plus dou square V by dou y square plus dou square V by dou z square. This is the Laplace equation equal to 0. The operator del square is called the Laplacian. If the sum of these second partial derivatives is 0, the potential satisfies Laplace equation. So let us check one by one option. So here first option A, V equal to 2x square minus 3y square plus z square. So del square V by del x square, so, with respect to x, so 4x, that is second derivative 4, only 4. Dou square V by dou x square equal to 4, and dou square V by dou y square equal to minus 6 with respect to and dou square z by dou square V by dou z square equal to 2. Some of these we get del square V equal to 4 minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. Satisfies Laplace equation. So here the right answer option A is the right. So option A ದಲ್ಲಿನ option A ಇದು satisfy ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So all remaining options eliminate ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋದು. So option A satisfy the Laplace equation. So next question. If the potential field is given by v of x y z equal to 2x square y minus 5z. The magnitude of the electric field intensity at the point P 1 2 3. So options are given below. So the electric field is related to the electric potential by E equal to minus del V, where del V E equal to minus del V, where del V is equal to dou V by dou x I cap plus dou V by dou y j cap plus dou V by dou z k cap. The negative sign here, the negative sign means the electric field points in the direction of decreasing potential. Here the given V equal to 2x square minus 5z. So dou V by dou x equal to 4xy and dou V by dou y, dou V by here V is equal to 2x square y minus 5z. This is the given. Dou V by dou x equal to 4xy and dou V by dou y with respect to y 2x square, dou V by dou z equal to minus 5. Here del V equal to at point P 1 2 3, x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. Here del V equal to 8 2 minus pi, that is minus negative sign here, minus 8 minus 2 plus pi. We have find the magnitude, that is E equal to 8 square plus 2 square plus 25. We get square root of 93. Take out square root of 93, we get 9.6 volt per meter. So here the right answer option D is the right one. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.